Everyone, Dr. Levine here at Unruh Spine Center, where today I want to discuss a condition that you may be dealing with that you may not know that we treat here in office. That condition is called frozen shoulder. That means that that shoulder is just not moving as well as it should be. That frozen shoulder issue could be underlying from many different conditions in which we can help not only diagnose but treat here in this office, whether that's through adjustments, shockwave therapy, or helping you with some at-home remedies. So if you think you have frozen shoulder, we have treatments in office or at home that can help you with your condition. So depending on your condition, it may be a great benefit to you to use a massage gun on your shoulder injury. Now, if you're dealing with a lot of tenderness and tightness in this front part through here, I'm going to talk to you about how to kind of work that area without aggravating it, but also show you some different points to hit to help loosen up this shoulder as far as some at-home treatment. So when we're working on this front area here, you definitely want it on a lower setting and quickly just moving back and forth in this front part of the shoulder here. If it gets too tender while you're working through it, then you should back up and work down the arm just a little bit and slowly go back into that center point of that shoulder. Now, if you're dealing with discomfort in this side part of the shoulder, it may be coming from not only the muscles that attach in this part here, but it may be stemming from the back of where your shoulder blade is that attaches to this area. So this is another great area to work right through the back of where your shoulder blade is. And if you find those little tender spots, especially in this back area, you can hold over that for a little bit to ease some of the tension. And of course, we can't forget our big trap muscle, which everyone has super tight trap muscles that we would work this area to relieve more tension along that shoulder and that shoulder blade area. So working the massage gun will definitely help as far as your discomfort that you're dealing with in this shoulder. But also I do recommend getting some ice over this shoulder. And if it's more so in the front, focusing more on the front. If it's more in the back, you can put that ice pack on the back. These are a couple great things that you can do to help mitigate your discomfort at home. As well, one thing to look into doing as well at home or whether at the gym is to work on not only stretching that shoulder, but also working on strengthening that shoulder to give it the support it needs to help make sure that this pain that you're dealing with doesn't come back again. I have various different types of stretches and exercises on my social media platforms, either on Instagram or on YouTube, that I implore you to go look up and do those at home. Again, I'm Dr. Levine from Unruh Spine Center, and if you're dealing with this condition, please call my office and make an appointment. We'll get you evaluated and figure out what your best course of care is. We'll talk again soon.